Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change date and time on your Panasonic TN-43W70AEZ TV. First of all, navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, then go to All Settings menu. Now in All Settings, you're gonna have to select System. Then in System, go to Date and Time. Now here you can either enable or disable automatic date and time by selecting one of these two options. And to disable it, select off. Then once you disable automatic date and time, you can set date and time yourself using one of these two options, so either set date or set time. You can change the value using up and down arrow keys. You can switch between values using left and right arrow keys. And this way you can set a new date and a new time. Just press OK once you're done. But be aware that by setting incorrect date and time values on your TV, you will make many online services or online services in general on Google TVs unavailable for you. So I recommend only changing automatic date and time or disabling or auto date and time detection in case when it isn't working normally. So if you want to, you can also change the time zone here by selecting this option and then selecting the closest town to you to switch to your time zone. And you can also change the time format, either 24 or 12 time for our format. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.